It's Outboard Weekend! Woohoo!
Where you go from bottom to top, or top to bottom, several times a day.
Woo!
Yesterday, found myself in the city near Piccadilly. Don't really know how I got here. I got some pictures on my phone, new names and numbers that I don't know. Address to places like Abbey Road. Day turns to night, night turns to whatever we want. We're young enough to say, oh, this has gotta be the good life. This has gotta be the good life. This could really be the good life, good life. I say, oh, I got this feeling that you can't find. The city is on fire now. This could really be the good life. They don't know where I've been for the past few years or so. Paris to China to Colorado. Sometimes there's airplanes I can't jump out. Sometimes.
Wait, I don't remember what it is.
You're the sportscaster.
We need one of those clipboards because this is now take two. Okay, wait. All right, you'll listen to two.
Outboard.
Woo!
Where you go to top to bottom several times a day.
That's close.
Yeah,
but I'm not laughing.
Yeah, but you get. What are we supposed to be saying?
Whatever, just improv. Outboard where we go from top to bottom and bottom to top several times a day.
You on?
Yes.
Well,
all right, ready?
Look at the camera.
No, I'm telling you so we can say it together.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god, the outtakes are going to be funnier than the actual promo. All right, ready? We're rolling.
Outboard, where you
go bottom to top.
Where you do bottoms on the top and the tops do bottoms several times a day.
Oh my, take four. Okay. All right, I'll say Outboard Weekend. You say the bottom to top, top to bottom.
Okay, I'll try.
All right. All right, it's Outboard Weekend. Woohoo!
Oh, it's me.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, wait. All right, it's Outboard Weekend.
Woohoo! Where you go, bottoms go to. Oh, I can't. What is it?
Where you go top to bottom and bottom to top several times a day.
No, bottom to top.
I don't care which way you go. Okay. Take number 5. All right, it's Outboard Weekend.
Woohoo! Where you go from bottom to top, or top to bottom several times a day.
Woo! Right. Oh my